2024 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.